sexy season for a tasty treat for a dessert. So let's get started. First, let's lay your aluminum foil down. Take an ice cold glass, and yes, we are gonna pour on the chocolate. Now let it sit for about 5 minutes. And here it goes, guys. That nice shelled chocolate. Oh yes. So now let's get a sexy plate. Yes. And we're gonna lay down a brownie, followed by some vanilla bean ice cream. So you remember the shell? Now you place the shell somewhere on your ice cream that is just absolutely eye-pleasing for yourself. Now to add a little bit more sexy to your plate, a strawberry that is dipped in chocolate. Now just to jazz it up, a little bit of chocolate on the side of the plate. And because it's Valentine's, let's go ahead and put a heart. Cupid. So are you ready for the total reveal? Yes, yes, and yes. Tell me this is something sexy and quick that you can prepare for your sexy night. Valentine's night. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.